Think a luxury SUV can't be a full-blown performance beast? Think again. The 2025 Audi RS Q8 is here to shatter expectations. Packing Lamborghini-level power under its sleek, sophisticated shell. Buckle up. This is one ride you don't want to miss. The 2025 Audi RS Q8, a wolf in sheep's clothing. At first glance, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 might look like just another premium SUV, but lift the hood and you'll find a monster waiting to roar. Sharing its DNA with the Lamborghini Urus, this beast delivers supercar performance in a refined, everyday package. Power and performance upgrades. Audi didn't hold back for 2025. The RS Q8 now rocks a twin-turbo 4.0-litre V8, pumping out a mind-blowing 631 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and Audi's legendary Quattro AWD, plus a 48-volt hybrid system, keeps things efficient without sacrificing power. Acceleration, brutal. The previous RS Q8 hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, but the 2025 performance trim? It's expected to be even faster, putting it neck and neck with the Lamborghini Urus for $100,000 less. Precision handling and next-level tech. Active suspension. Electric motors eliminate body roll, keeping you planted even in hard corners. Mechanical center differential, sharper handling, whether you're on the track or cruising the highway. Comfort mode softens the ride for daily driving, proving this SUV is as versatile as it is vicious. Design refinements for 2025 Audi gave the RS Q8 a fresh, aggressive makeover, with sharper lines, a bolder grille, and performance-focused styling cues that scream, "Don't mess with me." So, what do you think? Would you take the Audi RS Q8 over a Lamborghini Urus? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insane car content. See you in the next one.